Congratulations on your new aligners. We are super excited to be helping you in this way. Today, I'm going to show you the proper technique of insertion and removal of your new aligners and also how to best take care of your teeth and the aligners. So to start off, we're going to kind of go over two main things. The first thing being you want to make sure you wear your aligners all the time, only really taking them out to eat and to brush. We typically recommend about 22 hours a day. And then the second thing is making sure that your aligners are fully seated every time you put them in. So if this is the tooth and this is the aligner, you just want to make sure there's no airspace in between there. You want to make sure it's fully seated around that tooth so that it can accomplish every small movement that we've programmed into your aligners. So a way to help you do that is going to be using this little tool. It's called a clenchie. There is a little wavy part on the end here. What you can do is once you have the aligners in, you would take this clenchie and bite all along here. That's going to help ensure that the aligners are fully seated. Now, to get the aligners in, I will show you the proper way to do that. You just want to line the aligner up with the teeth. You can push down in the front and then down in the back, just like that. Try to just use your finger pressure. Try not to bite them into place. Otherwise, over time, you could start to see holes or cracks in the aligner. So make sure you just use finger pressure. And then when you go to take it out, be sure you grab from the inside and the back. We don't want you to grab from the outside because, again, it could cause some cracks to form. So you want to reach from the inside and the back, pop it up, inside and the back, pop it up, and then just slowly work your way forward until it's all the way out. If ever you are having trouble removing your aligners, sometimes that can happen in the morning if your mouth is just a little bit more dry. You can take a drink of warm water, kind of swish it around, it'll loosen things up and you should be able to pop them out, no problem. While you are wearing your aligners full time, the only thing you can really have with them in is water. Otherwise, if you're like a coffee or tea drinker, you're gonna wanna take them out, take a drink, and then put them back in. You're gonna get super fast at taking the aligners in and out, so it won't be too big of a hassle. That is going to ensure that you don't damage the aligner material, and it's going to keep your teeth nice and clean. A good way to clean these retainers is going to be to just use cold water and just your toothbrush and toothpaste. After you're done brushing your teeth, you can just kind of take what's left on the toothbrush and also brush the aligners out. They do make personal ultrasonic machines out there. You can purchase those, but it's not a necessity because honestly, the cleanest aligners we see are usually the ones that just use the toothbrush and toothpaste. We are also going to give you this case. You're going to want to make sure you have this with you at all times. That way, when you take it out to eat or to drink, you will know exactly where to put it. If you wrap it in a napkin or put it in your pocket, it's just super easy to throw away. So make sure it goes right in the case and it will be a lot easier to keep track of. If you have any pets at home, they love to chew them up. So just keep it up out of reach of them. That way you can ensure that your aligners will be waiting for you the next time you need them. Make sure to switch your aligners the way that we have prescribed you to do so. We will make sure to let you know that at your very first appointment and let you know how many days in between until you should switch to the next aligner. If ever you were to notice an attachment or an elastic attachment come off, you can call us and we'll kind of figure out if you need to come in before your next appointment or if it's close enough to that next one, we just may reattach it then, but just let us know. We are so excited to be able to help you in your journey to an even better smile. If you have any questions at all, you can always refer back to this video or contact us.